This continuous furnace is designed for annealing stainless steel products, especially widely used in pipe industry and sanitary industry for annealing various of stainless steel pipes, elbows, pipe fittings, joints, connectors, and so on. The furnace will be equipped with ammonia cracker, which will decompose hydrogen and nitrogen as protected gas for prevent products from oxidation. The annealed products are bright and softer in hardness.